Yeah, these are my two SODO headphones. They are both wireless, and hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're gonna talk about my two headphones that I'm currently using right now. So I'm currently using, okay, what happened to my two headphones that I'm currently using? So right now, I don't have any headphones anymore because it got broken. So my other one got broken, the USB slot. I think this one, these are my two headphones. Yeah, these are my two SODO headphones. They are both wireless. And yeah, and a while ago, when I was charging my headphones, this USB slot, yeah, this USB slot right here. So, wait, I cannot, I mean this one. This USB slot right here, it doesn't charge anymore, and I think it got loosened. I think the USB chip something got loosened, and I cannot enter the USB anymore inside. I cannot enter this charger, mini charger here, right here. I cannot enter this one anymore. Like in the slot, I cannot enter this one anymore. So I think much. It is a mess. It doesn't charge anymore. Wait, I can yeah, it doesn't charge anymore. I cannot go in this thing anymore. So yeah, I think it got loosened or medyo manuwag na siya or something. So yeah, both of them happened to these two headphones. So right now, I'm not using anything. I'm using the wired earphone, and I'm so not comfortable in using the wired earphone, like just like that. So just like that is my, I've been using this for a year, so I'm using this for a year, and just a while ago it happened to me lately. It happened to me a while ago. It got loosened, so I think this is not a great product for some wireless or Bluetooth headphone because it's just like that. I cannot charge my headphone. I cannot able to use this because I cannot charge it because of the loose USB slot right here. So yeah, I cannot use this anymore. But thankfully, I searched online that there are repair shops that can repair electronics like this, some audio electronics like this one. So I hope I can able to fix my audio because wait, I'm drinking my coffee. Ayun guys, so I hope that it will get fixed in a day or two because I really need my headphone back. So I'm okay with buying a new one, but man, these headphones are a killer. So I've been using this headphone for a year and I'm so happy with it. It just so happened that the USB got loosened so easily. So I might recommend this with anyone, but the USB slot is not that good. It got loosened easily. This is a new one actually. I bought this and 3 days after that, the USB slot got loosened. So I cannot able to charge it anymore. And I cannot use it because it's low bat. So yeah guys. So I hope that it will get fixed very very soon. Like I really love this even though it's not that popular. The brand is not that popular, but it's very very usable. It's very very flexible. It can do anything. I can use this. If anything, the Bluetooth is very useful. Only the USB slot is what makes me disappointed. But yeah, I hope that I will get it. I will get to fix my my headphone very soon. Maybe sometime. Maybe I will just check in Google of some shops near my area that can repair my headphone. Or if I cannot repair my headphone, I will just buy another one. But I want the sturdy USB charge slot USB slot. I like a sturdy USB slot so I can charge it whenever I go, even though yeah, I just want a sturdy USB charging slot. So yeah. So see you guys again to my next video. Bye guys.